hey, I didn't see you there. My name's Justin. And here on my show, we're going to be talking about rocks. Every rock has a unique texture. Put a little zoom on there. Oh, shit. I dropped the rock. As you see, they float. No, you're talking about the steps. I'm not fun! Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. I want to talk about stairs now. These. They're not really stairs. But. Here. These are stairs. They're concrete stairs. They're old stairs. Oh, stairs! 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 Rocks! Where'd he go? Did he turn into a duck?
One thing I said that I would never do.